So I thought today I would share with you a get ready with me for my birthday. Okay, so I'll have to leave in 2 hours, which is pretty tight, and the idea of making that video just came right now. So what I need to do is to iron my jumpsuit that I'm gonna wear, and I'm gonna talk about what I'm gonna wear, why I picked that, while ironing and talking to you. So if you're interested, keep on watching. My grandma taught me this: when you don't have like an ironing board, you use your bed sheet and iron on top of it. I hope that's not gonna burn the jumpsuit. So fun story about that jumpsuit. So you guys know that I struggle with weight loss for so many years, and honestly speaking, I was overweight for the longest period of time, and until I was in India, I had this water fast and juice fast, intermittent fasting situation where I lost a lot of weight back then. And I went to 76 kilograms from 86, so it was like around 10 kilograms. And that was my very first designer purchase. I got this Calvin Klein jumpsuit, and it was at the time very tight on me. And I was like, you know what, I'm gonna lose more weight and this is gonna fit me. And then what happened was I never lost more weight. I actually gained. And I kept it. I kept it because I was like, you know what, one day this will happen. That was 8 years ago. And yeah, it just happened that I did the surgery, things happened, and now I can wear this. Voila, like fast forward. It's a nude Calvin Klein jeans jumpsuit, very nice. It's not tight. I'm so last minute because I even don't have an iron. I just took this from my friend here. Yeah, and also, like, funny story, I tried this on yesterday and found like a tear in it, and I was like, oh my god, I'm gonna wear it, because I had it in mind, like, I'm gonna wear this. Another interesting story, I wore this in my birthday, my 21st birthday, so it's like commemorating time, kind of, because yeah, I need to do the following. So I need to iron this. I'm really the worst at ironing, but I'm gonna do my best, you know. I have to do my nails quickly, so I'm just gonna remove the nail polish I have now on, put another one. I have to also quickly shave and yeah, cleanse my skin well, prepare it. I don't want to go ham on makeup today. Like, I want my skin to be, I will do my hair. What do you guys think of my black hair? I did this blue black. I used the best dye in my own humble opinion. It's the Sios hair dye, the blue black, and I think like the Sios is one of the very few hair dyes that stay true to the color on the box. It's like, it's the only blue black in the drugstore that comes as blue black. I'm gonna pair this jumpsuit with my Valentino rock stud kitten heel. I finally fixed it. I wore it to my cousin's pre-marriage ceremony, pre-wedding ceremony, and I broke it. It got between the ceramic tiles, and this part in the heel, it got like removed. And I was like, I went to Valentino, they were like, it's fine, you just go to anyone for shoe repair shop, and they gave them to me for free. I was like, ooh. I'm right now selling some of my designer items on Vestiaire Collective. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. If you want to check it, the things I'm selling, I'm gonna link it down below. If it's going for any of you guys, I'll be way happier than if it goes to a stranger. I'm super late. I wore the jumpsuit finally. I need to do my hair. I need to put makeup on. I need to be ready.
I ain't been getting high. Well, maybe a little, baby, I don't wanna lie. I know when you text me, girl, I don't always reply. Well, you're not an angel either, you can't even fly. I know this, you think that you know shit. All this shade is coming at me, I wonder who does it. They can't see the vision, boy, they must be out of focus. That's a real hot album, homie, I wonder who wrote it. Oh shit, take them niggas go. Always tell the clowns around and look like circus shows. This is not the album either, these are just some throws. This shit's still so cold when it drops, it's gonna be a motherfucking stone. Hey, boys, good and he knows it. He don't say it, he shows it. I'm just like the roses. If I shoot it, it goes in. I'm in Cali just coasting. Give him so much and he coasting.
So, I'm done doing my hair. Right now, I'll quickly do my makeup. I'm gonna use my MAC Fix Plus to like prime my face. Then I'm gonna use this tester from Becca. It's like first light priming filter instant complexion situation. Don't know what that is. We're gonna open it. Oh, it's purple. Ooh, yes, give me some of that. We'll see if that primer is any good. It's like purple. And then I'm gonna apply it to my skin. Just like this. Ooh, super sticky. Just feels sticky. I think I applied too much maybe, but that's because I'm nervous. Before I put my foundation, probably I'll wear my shoes right now. Because it will make me feel like I'm almost there, you know what I mean? Okay, I wore my shoes on. I'm gonna do this. That's my Lancome Compact Cushion Foundation. And I'm gonna go on with it onto my skin. It's like I want the makeup to not feel like makeup. Although my skin is not performing its best virtue, but I want something that is comfortable to wear, wouldn't cake up. Again, would feel like a second skin. And yeah, I'm gonna use my like Yves Saint Laurent thingy to brighten under my eyes and a little bit around my neck. I'm gonna use my finger to like blend out the concealer. Your brush finish powder. I'm gonna use it underneath my eyes, just like this. It's like a quickest powder on earth that does not make me feel cakey at all. Just feels like a second skin to you. I'm gonna take my Becca Chloe Malika palette, bronze with it. Get a quick bronzing situation. I use my bronzer as if it's a contour, and it's totally working for me. It does not work with everybody though. Like not everybody appreciates what I'm doing right now. Yep. I drag the color a little bit around my cheeks so that it looks natural. Wow. And then I'll apply the highlighter that is here on the highest points of my face. So like here, under the brow bone here, to complement my skin and make it look like as if I'm healthy, although I am not. So this is the makeup look, you guys. I'm gonna put my hair out. And I'm gonna take my curls off like that. Oh, so much volume is in here. So much volume. I'm in love with my hair today. Okay. So here is my hair. As you can see, I've put this pin to the back like that. I'm gonna wear like double jackets on top. This is the jumpsuit from Calvin Klein. I'm gonna give you like a quick look into it, and with my shoes, I wore my Valentinos. The bag I'm gonna take with me is going to be this one by Michael Kors. I'm gonna put it in my lipstick now. Wish me a happy birthday. See you in my next video. Bye.